Stop using straps on every single pull. I'm serious. You're actually slowing your back gains down. Here's why. If you're strapped in on every set, your hands and forearms never get stronger, and your body will always quit at the weakest link. Usually, that's your grip, but your back, your lats, traps, rhomboids, those muscles are crazy strong. If your grip fails first, your back never gets pushed to its real potential. That means less tension, less activation, and way less growth. So here's the move. Train raw on your first sets, earn the weight with your grip, and save straps for your one heavy top set. And yeah, dead hangs or farmer carries once a week help like magic. Drop the strap addiction and watch your back finally blow up. If you're with me, hit follow and let's grow. Stop doing flat bench press if you actually want a bigger chest. Yeah, I'm calling it out. Flat bench gives you that pancake chest look. All middle pec, no shape, no depth. And the worst part? It hits your shoulders harder than your chest. Way too much shoulder tax. And your upper chest is still flat. Here's the fix. Switch to incline bench. That 30 to 45 degree angle, it lights up your upper pec fibers, builds that upper shelf, the rounded chest you actually see in a t-shirt. Then add dips. Body weight, weighted, whatever. Dips blow up your lower chest, add thickness, and give you serious pressing power. This is the movement your chest was designed for. Flat bench alone is a trap. Hit incline. Crush dips. No more pancakes. Go build true chest armor. Stop. If you're doing 10 of exercises, you're wasting your time. Crunches, sit-ups, Russian twists, bicycles, toe taps, all in one workout? Seriously? That's just spinning your wheels. 3-minute planks that make you want to cry? Totally pointless. Here's the truth. To actually grow your abs, you only need 3 moves. Train them like real muscles, not endurance drills. Move 1, chest to pelvis. Cable crunches, slow, controlled, squeeze every rep. Feel it burn. Move 2, pelvis to chest. Hanging leg raises, no swinging, slow and controlled. Really focus on the lower abs. Move 3, rotation. Cable side crunches. Hit those obliques hard. Twist, squeeze, repeat. That's it. 3 exercises. No fluff, no circuits, just gains. Add weight. Progressive overload. Watch your 6-pack POP.